Now in this video, I'm going to help you get started navigating through this dashboard so you can start exploring and understanding what other smart traders holding and doing. This gives you visibility across millions of different wallets, from venture funds all the way to even meme coin whales. Now we start off with this leaderboard view where we can look at what are the best smart money traders. Now, if you noticed, if you hover over one of these names, you'll be able to see a quick little overview of their net worth, the PNL across 90 days, their win rate, as well as their trades. And this goes for any wallet that's there. You can also filter through these wallets by choosing one of the various options we have here. So in this case, let's say I want a few wallets that have a win rate of 70%, as well as perhaps an ROI of a minimum of 150%. So it should start showing me only the wallets that fit into that criteria. And you'll see here. And then I can also choose different time frames. So is it in the past 7 days that fit into this criteria? And I can also switch between realized and unrealized PNL as well. If I hit scatter plot, you'll see this cool little visualization that shows all of these wallets that fit into this criteria. And so here I see this top 5.6 million, the top 100 Fartcoin leaderboard wallet, and looking at their ROI and PNL just like that. Now, as of right now, I'm looking at all chains, but let's say I want to dig into the wallets specifically on Solana. So I can go up at the top, press save, and it will filter down the wallets that way. Now, if I want to dig deeper into each individual wallet, I can actually do so by just clicking into the wallet itself. And you'll see I'm at a new view, going deeper into the wallet, getting a better understanding of their 90-day trade highlights, their realized PNLs, all of the win rates, how many trades they made, and their trade performance across different tokens. I can also then get a better overview by clicking at the top and then seeing their token portfolio across multiple different time frames. And then I can also get a clear view of their trading summary and token balances as well. And if I want to dive even deeper, just hit transactions, and then across a given time frame, I can see all of the transactions that they've done on chain. And for every view that I've shown so far, you can add multiple filters to narrow down your views. Once you've taken a look at the leaderboard, you can then move up and hit top tokens, where you can track what smart money wallets have been trading or holding. So you can filter these down by filtering from micro to large market cap tokens, filtering it by the token age. You can either put something in yourself, or you can just choose one of these filters. So from 0 to 1 day, 0 to 7 days, 0 to 30 days, and so on. So I'll do 0 to 30 days. And you can also filter them down by the sector that they belong to. Are they a meme coin? So maybe I'll choose meme coins and I'll press save. And then you can also filter them by the Nansen smart labels. So let's say I want to exclude it by the exchange. So if I've already done that, let's say I want to take that off, then now it will include smart money wallets that are labeled as exchanges. And by scrolling down, I can then view what are the smart money wallets holding. And the filters here are much the same. Now, if you hit filter here, you can filter by token symbol, token address, and go a little bit more granular. And this is really up to you. And once I'm done there, I can also check out the trades, which gives a live view of the DEX trade updates. So you can apply various filters to see what smart money has been trading in real time. And the filters are more or less the same. But if I click filter here, there are a little bit more options that I can filter down to. And additionally, if I scroll down, I can also see what smart money wallets are dollar cost averaging into as well. And same thing here, I can filter, and I can filter this down by deposit value, deposit amount, and so on. And so there you have it. That is the smart money dashboard. You have the leaderboard, the top tokens, and the trades. And as you can see, you can really dive deep into all of the high performing wallets. By filtering them down, you can see what they're holding, what they're trading, what tokens they actually have in their balance sheet. And this gives better clarity as to what kind of smart money moves you should be making yourself as an investor.